can't believe someone filed an anonymous sexual harassment complaint against us. Us!
I know, it's outrageous.
Oh, and now I have to stay late on a Friday and read through these stupid pamphlets and fill out this online questionnaire.
It's because it's an office of lies.
Oh, I can't breathe. These questions are so boring.
I know. Wake me up when you get to number 69.
Hey, maybe we should act them out. Question 13. One of your coworkers approaches you in the break room.
Hey, Eugene. I'm having trouble with my toner. And you're so tall and sexy and handsome. Would you put it in for me?
Of course, Charlene. Inappropriate touching! If this behavior continues, I'm going to have to report you to my immediate superior or human resources if you are my immediate superior. Oh,
That was fun.
Yeah.
Now it's your turn.
Question 14. Your boss asks you for a favor. Howdy, Jasmine. I wonder if you could do me a favor. Oh!
Unwanted! Unwanted! You will never hurt me again, Mr. Sullivan. Good one. Next question.
Done.
But we still don't know who fingered us.
Baby, yeah, I like it like
What
that.
is that?
It's totally my new email alert. Huge. It says it's from Mead Security. We're the ones who filed the complaint against you, jackasses. Is this true?
Ooh, baby.
Yes, it's true.
Well, why would you do that to us? These are totally baseless accusations.
Ooh, baby.
Because night after night, we have to witness your inappropriate after-hours shenanigans.
Mark, this is totally unacceptable. Mode after hours is my favorite time of day. What are we gonna do?
I don't know. But what I do know, this is war.